When my family began to conceive the city of Levittown, we made up our minds not to duplicate one basic error that we find in all the other cities. Namely, that the individual occupant is lost in its bigness. How we went about it was to plan small sections of the land, give it a name that followed some plant, like Magnolia Hill. In this way, we hope that the individual will not be the occupant of a big city, Levittown, but rather an individual well known to his neighbors in Magnolia Hill.
The streets are named, the flower section, all different flowers. We live in the bird section, and my daughter decided that she was going to give us a bunch of different flags with different birds on it. And this is just one of the many she gave us. We live on Flamingo Road, and she gave us a flamingo, gave us...
No, it's not a flamingo.
No, not that one. It isn't a flamingo, but it's a woodpecker.
I happen to live in this bird section in Levittown for now since the year 1950. It's just like the one on my head over here. You want to come on my hand?
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, don't you know about the bird? Well,
Had for quite a while trouble with people coming into the house uninvited. And that was due to the fact that quite a few of the Levittown houses were laid out so alike. And one night I remember, it was after dark. And I walked into the kitchen and there was a chap sitting there. He had thought he had arrived home. And of course...
He even opened the refrigerator.
Yeah, well, he was looking to see if he could find something.